So in this video, we're going to talk about trading volume, why it's so important, and why you must be aware of it before you risk your hard-earned money. What's up? Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here talking about volume. But before I get into that, just leave a comment below. Have you read the new book by my student Jamil called The Complete Penny Stock Course? I'm going to post a link just below this video too, because volume is a very big part of this book, and this book is crucial in your education. So tell me honestly, it's okay if the answer is no, but just say yes or no. Have you read The Complete Penny Stock Course? It's on Amazon, it's on Kindle, it's on Google Play. It is must-read material. It has all of my lessons combined in one book. So if you kind of want like a quick resource to learn all of my rules, read the book. So if the answer is yes, fantastic. I'm sure you loved it. I'm not even, in doubt. That's how good I know it is. And if you haven't, please click the link just below and be honest with your comments. Part of this is you being honest with yourself and being honest with me. That's how I can be the best teacher to you. So don't lie if you haven't read the book, but you're like, no, I'm going to type in yes. Don't do that. Get in the habit of telling me the truth because I'm here to help you. That's what this is all about. So let's talk about volume. Volume is how many shares the stock has traded in a day, in a month, in a year. There's many different time frames. Or in a second. Sometimes the stock trades 100 shares in a second. Sometimes it trades 10,000 shares in a second. Sometimes it trades 10,000 in a day. It's all about how many shares are being traded back and forth between buyers and sellers. So if a stock has traded 1 million shares in a day, there's been 500,000 shares bought, 500,000 shares that have been sold. Simplistically, I know that there's more to it than that, but that is what volume is. Why does it matter? Because you need the buyers and the sellers. You need that kind of liquidity. I'm going to bring up liquidity and volatility. I'm going to give you a few terms, which is another reason why you should read that book, The Complete Penny Stock Course. Those terms are explained. Again, click the link just below this video to read that book. But you need volume. You yourself, if you're going to trade these penny stocks, you yourself are going to be some volume. If you have a $5,000 position and it's a $3 stock and $2 stock, let's say, then you have 2,000, 2,500 shares. You have to understand, what does volume mean? And I know that's a terrible example. I'm making this very simplistic. But for me, I don't want to be more than 1 or 2% of a stock's daily volume. So if the stock is trading, let's say 1 million shares in a day, I don't personally want to trade more than 10 or 20,000 shares. Because if you're a bigger percentage of the volume, then guess what? It gets very difficult to execute your buys or sells. What if you're 50% of the stock's volume? Right? What if you're trying to trade 500,000 shares and the stock only trades 1 million shares in a day? It's going to be very tough for you to get in or get out. But if you're only 1 or 2% of the day's total volume, it's very easy for you to get in, get out, hopefully have a profit, or if you're wrong, you have to cut losses quickly. You never want to be too big a percentage of the volume. You definitely don't want to be all of the volume. I can't tell you how many penny stocks there are where they have some great product, some great news, and people are like, wow, the product is amazing, the news is amazing, I just need to buy, and no one else cares. And you're just like, have I spotted the next Microsoft myself and no one else knows this is a great deal? For me, I want to piggyback moves that are already happening. I want to trade big percent gainers, stocks that are volatile, companies that, the value of their stock is going up 20, 30, 40, 50% in a day, ideally with big volume. Volume shows interest. So if a normal penny stock trades 10,000 shares in a day and it trades, 10 million shares in the day, there's a lot of interest this day compared to a normal day. That's good, okay? I want all of Wall Street, or not necessarily Wall Street because Wall Street usually ignores penny stocks, but I want all of the day trading horde who trades low price stocks to be interested in the stock that I'm in. Because why? Well, because the day trading horde and momentum traders are very fickle. And that means that the stock is going to go up or down. If it's rising and all the traders are piggybacking it, fantastic. But if the news turns or if the volume dips or whatever the reason, if it starts fading, it can crash very quickly too. do. That's very good for me as either a buyer trying to ride it up and make money on the way up, or as a short seller trying to make money on the way down. You just want to take a piece of the move. I would not try to buy at the bottom and sell at the exact top, or short at the exact top and buy at the exact bottom, just like I wouldn't be wanting to be, a big part of the volume. I don't care how much money you could potentially make. The greater percentage you are of a stock's daily volume, the greater the risk. If you are 20, 30, 40% of the stock's volume, you might be right this time, but if you keep doing that again and again, one time you're gonna get stuck and you're playing with fire, and one time you're gonna get burned, and that frankly is how a lot of people lose all their money. So I wanna teach you the safe way. If you're less than 1 or 2% of the stock's total volume in a day, you're fine. You can get in, you can get out, you can cut losses very quickly, you can take profits. That is the sweet spot. This was a very abbreviated take on what volume is. Again, click the link just below if you want to read the complete penny stock course that goes into more details. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.